Hello wonderful people, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to make donuts, and I'm going to use self-raising wheat flour, and you can substitute the self-raising wheat flour with all-purpose wheat flour and add yeast. For me today I'm going to use self-raising flour, and there's no need to add yeast or baking powder. Then I'm going to add sugar in the milk and make sure it dissolves. I'm going to stir the sugar so that it dissolves in the milk. We are done. I'm going to add a little bit of flour. Then a pinch of salt. And I'm going to stir the salt in the flour. I'm going to make a hole in the middle. Then add butter. And then add the warm milk and sugar. Then I'm going to add the eggs. Then I'm going to mix all this. And after mixing, I'm going to knead. We're done. Now we are kneading the dough till it is ready. I'm going to use my hands to knead the dough. I've added some oil to make the dough stretchy. We are done. Then we cover with a damp cloth. I've given it some time to rest, 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes it looks like that. Then I'm going to make a sheet of the dough. I'm going to roll using a rolling pin like that. And I'm going to roll the dough till it's like 2 centimeters thick. We are done. Then I've come with that. It's a cup to make shapes like that. If you do not have the donut cutter, you can improvise and use a cup to make the shapes. Like mine, it's improvised. We are done. Then a bottle lid I'm using a plastic bottle lid to make the inner circle. Like that. Yes, that way. And we're done. Then I'm going to cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to deep fry the donuts in heated oil. Like that. And kindly, if you are new in this channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Yeah, like and share our videos, and let's grow together in this family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching our videos. I'm committed to bringing you more content on food preparation. You are supposed to turn the donuts when they become brown. Flip to the other side and let them cook. You see, we are done. We are golden brown. We have developed such a wonderful color. And so we are removing them from the frying pan. We are done, guys. Now that's the final look. It is wonderful.